The graph to the right shows the velocity of an object moving along the x-axis over a 5-second period. If the object started 2 meters to the right, where is the object after 3 seconds? So this is the velocity function. All right, and here it's asking us where stuff is, distance, and where stuff is. So what I really need to focus on is the derivative of the velocity. Okay, not the derivative, the integral of the velocity. Now, what that means for us here is if this is the velocity function and I don't have the actual function itself and I really don't feel like trying to find the piecewise function that matches that guy, what I can do is I can use the fact that, look, the integral is just the area under the curve. So let's use that information. If the object started 2 meters to the right, you're already at 2. Where is the object after 3 seconds? Well, we care about the integral from 0 to 3 of v of t dt. Now that means the area underneath the curve from 0 to 3. So the area here is going to be 1 block, 2 block, 3 block, 4. Easy. This is a triangle with base of 1 and height of 2. So 1/2 of base times height is going to be half of 1 times 1 times 2, which is half of 2, which is 1. So I get a full guy here. So u are the same as saying 2 plus 5, which is 7. So we are 7 units wherever that's supposed to be to the right. Okay, I'm assuming that we're still 2 meters to the right, so let's keep that 2 going on there. Where is the object after 5 seconds? Well, we're going to do the same thing. Now this, we just found out that this guy right here is 5 in the positive. Okay, everything down here is going to be negative. So if u were 1, that means this chunk right here is going to be -1, and this chunk right here is going to be -2. Okay, so 2 plus the integral from 0 to 5 of v of t dt is going to be 2 plus that positive 5 plus that -3. 2 plus 5 is 7, 5 plus -3 is 4. 4 is going to be my answer there. Now to find the total distance, okay, is not displacement. This was displacement. The total distance is the fact that if I were to drive forward 5 feet and back 3 feet, that's still 8 feet. So I have 2 that I started out with, plus the 5 that I drove forward, plus the absolute value of the -3 of me driving backwards is going to be 2 plus 5 plus 3, which is going to be 10. Okay, so this problem was very different, but I kind of liked it. It was fun.